Do you want to start investing in crypto but only have 100 euros? Not sure where to begin or how to steer clear of pitfalls? Well, this video is made just for you. I'm going to show you how to smartly invest 100 euros in crypto, even if you have zero experience. You'll discover a simple, balanced, and practical method to avoid common beginner mistakes. First off, ask yourself why you want to invest. Is it to learn, to make long-term profit, or to try your luck with a small amount of money? You also need to be honest with yourself. Are you ready to lose some, or even all, of this money? 100 euros isn't a lot, but it's enough to start learning while keeping risks low. Here's how I suggest you split your investment if you're a beginner. First, put 30 euros into Bitcoin. It's the most stable, oldest, and safest crypto to start with. Next, invest 25 euros in Ethereum, which is at the heart of new things like NFTs, DeFi, and smart contracts. Keep 20 euros for strong alternative cryptos like Solana, Avalanche, or Chainlink. These are serious projects with good potential to grow. Put 10 euros into trending cryptos, for example, a meme coin like Shiba Inu, or a new popular crypto. But be careful, this is the riskiest part. Keep 10 euros in stablecoins like USDT or USDC. This will let you buy more when a good chance comes along. And finally, use 5 euros to try something new. For example, staking, a decentralized app, or a Web3 game. The goal is to learn by doing. To buy these cryptos, you can use Binance, very popular, good reputation, lots of options, OKX or Bybit, easy to use and helpful for beginners, Coinbase, very simple, but watch out for higher fees, or even Revolut if you want to try quickly, but you can't really manage your private keys. Never forget, turn on two-factor authentication and write down your recovery phrase if you use a wallet. The 5 mistakes 90% of beginners make. 1. Putting all your money into one crypto without spreading it out. 2. Following influencers blindly without doing your own homework. 3. Selling too quickly out of fear when the market goes down. 4. Not caring about security, not backing up your seed phrase, or clicking on scam links. 5. Wanting to go too fast without taking the time to learn. Once you've invested your 100 euros, what should you do? Don't touch anything right away. Just watch, learn, read the news, watch good videos, and keep a little journal of your journey. At each step, ask yourself, what did I just learn? Would I make this choice again tomorrow? You can also try staking to grow some of your cryptos. But don't rush. The most important thing is to understand what you're doing. If I had to start over today with 100 euros, I would do exactly this breakdown. 30 euros on Bitcoin, 25 euros on Ethereum, 20 euros on 1 or 2 strong altcoins, 10 euros on a trending crypto, 10 euros in stablecoin reserves, and 5 euros to test a feature like staking. This wouldn't be to get rich, but to really learn and build good investor habits. There you have it. With 100 euros, you can truly take a smart first step into the world of cryptocurrencies. It's not about how much money you have, it's about how you use it. If this video helped you, subscribe, leave a like, and share it with someone who wants to get into crypto. And most importantly, tell me in the comments, how are you planning to invest your 100 euros? See you soon for another video.